Update guys, so the problem guys is the IPM guys. So since I have board, mas better to replace the whole board guys, because repairing and sometimes removing IPM is taking too much time to remove the IPM, but I can repair this guys. So since I have a board, so much better to replace the board. This is the board for main motor guys. So the problem of 3C is the error for main motors problem. Main board or the motors is the problem. The IPM or the motor guys. So please subscribe guys and keep in touch. And I'm hoping you learn from my channel guys. Thank you. So guys, I'm already replaced the board for main motor control, so it's working guys, so there's no problem anymore. 3C is already done. Please subscribe guys and keep on watching guys for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for your support, and just keep in touch guys. Thank you so much. It's working guys.